store-bought slimes. So guys, I just got a bunch of new slimes from Walmart because I was just cruising through the everythings, all the toys, because that's like the best part of Walmart. Anyways, I found out that they have a bunch of new slimes. There's a lot and they look super cute and I really want to try them. But also I know you guys like the nice slime smoothies, so I'm also gonna be doing that. I'm gonna be, oh my god, I can't do this. Anyways guys, so I have a bunch of these, so we're just gonna do a slime smoothie. That's basically it. These are brand new slimes, guys. I have never seen them ever, and so this is gonna be my first time touching them and my last time touching them. I did things like my job to be Jennifer's like, but with your
346 minutes later.
Elbow. Let's get straight on into the video. Yeah! Okay guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is this Nickelodeon Slime Fun Scented. Oh, it's scented? Okay. Okay, so they came out with new slime. Jeez, this is open. That was because of me. I opened it in the store. I was excited. Okay, so it's really pretty pastel pink slime, glossy. Yeah, it doesn't smell like anything. It says fun scented, so I mean, I guess that's how fun smells. And then it also got these colorful beads in it, I'm gonna guess to kind of like look like funfetti. Look cool, but a better container, please. This is a problem with a lot of slimes, is that they make the container like smaller at the top for some reason, which is a really bad idea with slime. So here it is, guys. Whoa, that is magnificent. You know what's funny, guys, is that usually these slime companies, they always use clear slime, PVA or clear glue. It's always clear. Even if it's white, it still like has a clear base and you can tell. But this actually seems like it was a white base, which is really cool. I think Crazy Art did a fantastic job with this one. Like, Jesus. Honestly, this kind of smells a little rotten, guys, so I don't know. Can you smell this, Paul, please?
Yeah, it smells good.
No, it doesn't.
I like it.
It's like, whatever, guys. I really love it. It's like really nice and glossy. Only problem is that it says it's fun scented, but I don't really like the smell of this. Not very fun. Or maybe there's something wrong with my sniffer whiffer. Okay, guys. Beautiful slime. Next one is Icing Slide with sprinkles. This one is really, really cute. I mean, can you look at that? Like, it's adorable. It looks like it's like a little jar. This one's a little bit more like on the jiggly side, like more store-bought. The other one was super, super close to like homemade slime. This one is more on the store-bought slime. But it comes out of the jar super good, so that's a plus. The texture is weird and I don't really like it. Ugh. What happened? What the heck? You know when you usually like you squish a slime and you just like squish it and then like you'll go like that to take the slime off? This one kind of just goes through. Guys, this is kind of like melting all over my hands, and my hands don't even melt slime, okay? I don't
Should I touch it?
Yeah. Oh my god, what happened to your fingers?
Oh, what the heck?
Jesus, Paul, what the heck?
It's the slime challenge we did.
I don't like it like at all.
This is very sticky.
I don't like the beads in it. They look weird, and I like pastel. Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
Jesus.
I'm trying to get it off of me, but it's...
Yeah, there's no point. Next one is this one. This is marshmallow slime. I'm sorry about my hands. It's just, it doesn't come off, okay? This one is the same brand, so yay. Although I really love the container once again. So let's just open this, see how it, maybe this one's a different texture. It seems a little bit like jiggly still, but like a little bit firmer. Yeah, whoa, that's definitely a lot better. Whoa, this one's really cool. It smells like alcohol though. Yeah, like alcohol, straight up alcohol. I like it. It's cool. And it comes out of the container easy, and it's a cute container, and yeah. Okay, well, goodbye, beautiful marshmallow mush. This one's so beautiful, I love it.
We should do this one next.
Okay. Ooh, this one's cool. This one's called Fruit Cocktails by Crazy Art. Oh, it's gonna be so cool. It says it's fun scented, so. Whoa, bro, no! It has jelly cubes in it. That is weird. I would have never expected that. I gotta move everything 1 second. Oh my god, are these really jelly cubes?
They crush?
Yes. This is crazy, guys.
Crazy Art.
Okay, Crazy Art, hit me up. Send me some slime. And it smells so good. What is this? Whatever it is, it's so cool. Oh, it's Fuzzy Wuzzies. This is crazy, guys. There's literally jelly cubes in here. This was even better than a slime shop slime. Look at that. Okay, this is crazy. I think these are actually the sponges. Or at least the kind of sponge you use. Not like the exact sponge, but like the kind of sponge. Because they squish. Okay, I definitely need to get myself one of these ones. Whoa. I don't want to get rid of this. The whole thing is beautiful. I can't even. All right, let's go. Put it in here. Next one I'm gonna do is this one. This one you actually have to make the slime. It says it's jammin' jellies and it smells like jelly, I think, and yeah. Here's what it comes with, 2 packets of whatever the heck this is, powder, slime powder, and then this is the instructions. So fill to water line. Oh, there's water line. Okay, add 1 scented slime powder packet, shake until well mixed, let it sit for 10 minutes. So I guess you get like 2 portions in case if you mess up one, I don't know. But let's go ahead and do this. And actually, I feel like we should do all of them since we have to wait 10 minutes. So let me just go ahead and do that really quick. So guys, I filled them all up with water. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the powders. So here's the powder. I feel like I can already smell it, but I don't know. Okay. Oh, I think it's already sliming up. Okay, let me just go ahead and put the blue one. Paul put the orange one.
You're welcome.
All right, now we're gonna go ahead and put this. Ooh, these caps are so cute and they're very easy to put on. All right, there you go. I think this is blueberry. This is strawberry, and this is orange. Okay, let's go ahead and mix these up. And then we just leave these for 10 minutes and we'll see what happens. Next slide we're gonna do is this one. This one is molecules. I want to say molecules, but it looks like molecules. Ooh, it's straight out the box. Cool. That is interesting. This is cool. Does it ever dry out, I wonder? Okay, well, I think this is really cool. Although it's not really slime. Kind of just like foam beads, you know? Stuck together, foam beads stuck together. But it's cool. So I don't really know what you're supposed to do with it, but yeah. Well, I guess I'll just put this inside the box now. I like it. It makes a cool noise when you play with it. It's very satisfying, but like it's kind of hard to play with, so I'm kind of iffy about it. So we're gonna put that right there. Oh my god, this one is so beautiful. I love it. You guys comment down below, once you finish the video, comment down below what's your favorite slime, store-bought slime was. So look at that one, doesn't even stick. Mine definitely will be this mango one, I think. Next we're gonna do is this one. This one is Zero Osh. This is slime gross surprise. I think it has maggots in it, so I'm a little scared. Obviously fake maggots, but yeah. I don't like the seal on this at all. I like completely destroyed it, and I think I might just take it off. Okay, let's open this. Oh, that is, ew! You guys see that? There's maggots in my slime! Look at how disgusting they are.
Maybe they are real.
Don't do that, Paul. Whoa, this looks like melted. Whoa, this one's cool. It's got like a little pearlescent pigment in it. That is disgusting. Do you guys see those maggots? Although it looks cool, like what the heck? Those are so gross. I need to get me some of these maggots so I can like throw them on like Jamela or Paul. Oh, Paul hates bugs.
Yeah, I heard that.
You heard what?
That you're gonna throw bugs on me.
Paul, you're crazy. I'm not gonna throw bugs on you. You're hearing stuff. Okay, let's see if I can make some pocolos if I just like really. All right, I'm gonna put it in the box now. So it's just. Oh, I covered all the pink slime. Next! How long let's check on these. I think it's been like 7 minutes since we did these. So change of thought. I hate these caps. All right, uh-oh. There's like a really big ball that did not mix whatsoever. Well, that's terrible. Let me smell it at least. This smells good. Oh my god, that just smells like dirt. How about let's check this one? Maybe this one's like more mixed or something. It's supposed to change into this, guys, right here. This one's definitely a lot more slimy. It seems like we mixed the powder a little bit more, so that's good. Still smells like dirt. Okay, and I'll just leave the orange one, so yeah. Next what we're gonna do, guys, is this neon one. Oddly satisfying neon squishy like slime. Jesus. Okay, I am done with these seals on these freaking slimes, guys. Okay, let's open this. Oh my god! Okay guys, here it is, finally. I really love this slime right here. I had another one. I didn't have pink, but I had yellow, but it was like the same type. It's really nice. It's like literally, it doesn't have the exact texture of homemade slime, but it has a pretty good texture and yeah. So, I like it. I really love it. It's one of my favorites, but it's going in the doom pile. Next one is the same exact thing, but green. Although it has a different texture. Whoa, this is weird. Okay, so yeah, this one is more like the yellow one I had. It's a little bit more store-bought-ish. The pink one is really nice though, but I also really like this one because it's only like $1 or like $2, but still. All right, well I guess enough of that one. Next one is the same exact thing, but blue. Guys, this one's all melted. They need to sell these with like little activators on the side of it because like seriously, what if you don't have activator? There's some activator. Hopefully that works. Sometimes it doesn't work. That wasn't activated, that was water. Uh-oh. Okay, I got some activator on here. It's a lot, so it might overactivate the slime, but I kind of want to see. Can you overactivate a store-bought slime?
A few minutes later.
So here's the slime, guys. I activated it. I'm not really liking the texture of this one too much. I really like the pink one though. All right, let's dump that in there. Next, what is this one? This one is a new crazier one, which I am super excited about. It has 3 different colors, so I really want to see what is this all about. So it's all separated though, so that's good, I think. Ooh, I wonder how the texture's gonna be. This one is kind of like white. This one, ooh, whoa. Whoa, bro. This is some nice slime right here, guys. This is so cool. This one I really love, guys. Okay, we're gonna put it into here. Goodbye, beautiful slime. Next one is this orange one in the middle. These are cool separators, but they're kind of hard to like. But Jesus, look at that. Whoa, that is crazy, guys. Do you see how bright and glossy that is? Okay, guys, put this in here. This is gonna be a beautiful slime smoothie, guys. Last one from the container is this green one. Ooh, seems like it has a different texture. It's a little less like stiff. The other one's kind of more like putty. It was really nice though, I really liked it. This one's kind of a little bit more slimy. I love how all 3 of these had like different textures. I love the texture on the blue one, and I love the color of the orange one, and then this one has a really nice like cool texture too. I really like this, guys. This one was really nice. Whoa. I made a giant bubble, guys. Okay, I'm gonna put that in here. Oh, beautiful. Here's this one. This one is Nickelodeon again, which I'm excited. But this one, they have like a Pastel Collection. Ooh, this one smells definitely like mint. Okay, that's how it's, okay, this one is amazing. I don't want to mix it. Paul, smell it.
Whoa.
This one smells, see, that's how it's supposed to smell. The other ones, I don't know what was wrong with them. Actually, no, it wasn't the other one, because the orange one, I could smell it. The pink one, there was something wrong. I think something happened with that one, because it smelled a little rotten, to be honest. But this one is amazing. This one smells very, very good. It's super strong, too. This one, I'm gonna guess, you know, it's mint chocolate chip. Okay, well, I guess that's enough of that one. This one is so awesome. Next one is this one. This one is from the Compound King thingamajigger. This one is Vixen Match Squishy like slime. So I've never done any of it. Never done one of these. It seems very interesting though. It's got like foam and then this purple slime. Oh, this one's kind of like a clay one. Melted though. It's very pretty. I love it. It's a little sticky though, but it looks really cool. I like it. This one is a clay one, I believe. It's a bit sticky too. I guess I just gotta mix it. Sometimes that happens, like the clay gets unmixed from the slime, so I guess we'll just try and mix that in. Oh my god, that got worse. Okay, I'm gonna just go ahead and add some of the activator. Uh-oh, that was a lot. So it's a pretty nice slime once it's like, you know, all good, but yeah. This one, I don't really like either. I don't really like this set, guys, but whatever. Pretty cool. All right, we'll put that right there. Not completely mixed. Next, what we're gonna do, guys, is like a little series. These, they're like lava lamps, and they are so freaking cool, and I'm excited about these ones. So let's open them. So I'm gonna open up the pearlescent ones. So I guess I'll just twist it to try and open it. Oh, interesting. Cool. So are you supposed to like, Paul? I need help.
Just kind of like remove this.
I knew that. Okay, so here's the slime, guys. Weird. I don't really like it. Oh my god, that looked better in the container. Well, usually I'm fine with these types of slimes, you know. I think they're cool because it's like really jiggly and watery. But like this one just completely falls apart like as soon as you kind of squish it a little bit. Put that in there. Beautiful. This is gonna be thick. This slime is gonna be thick. Next one is this one. Oh wait, no, the next one is this one actually, guys. Okay, here it is. So you're supposed to apparently just go like that. Nice. No, it's not. I don't like it. Although I really love the color, but we're gonna put that in there. Ooh, that's so cool. Then we got this one. There we go. Ooh, I really love this one. This one has a really pretty color. It's like a mermaid. Okay, let's put that there. That one's really pretty. I love that one. We are all done with these slimes. smoothie, guys. We do have these last 3 ones though, but I wanted to do a separate slime smoothie because these ones are all clear. I thought it would look cooler, so yeah. We forgot about these things, guys. Should we just completely forget about them maybe?
Just throw them in there.
Alright, so there it is. It's like completely at the bottom. I don't know how I'm gonna get that out. I also just, oh my god, these are terrible. I don't know if I made them wrong or something, but I don't like it. If they're only gonna give you this much of the slime or tell you to make this much, can they have like a tinier container or something? There it is, guys. Whoa, that's not that bad. It's not even sticky. That's weird. That's crazy. But I hate it. What the heck? This smells like dirt. I mean, I like the smell of dirt. It kind of smells like nature, and I like that, but it smells like dirt. Next is the orange one. That one kind of smells a little bit more fruity, so I'll just go ahead and just pour that in here. This one is completely melted. That one didn't work. I think it's because it didn't completely get mixed. And then we have this purple one. Still smells like dirt. And we didn't mix that one very well at all either. So we're gonna put that there. And let's get this party on the road or started or something like that. All right, let's do this. Goodbye, beautiful slimes. Ooh, this mango one. Whoa, did you guys see that? Oh my god, my beautiful pink one. Let's go ahead and dump this out. This is a lot of slime. Oh my god. I wonder how this is gonna turn out. Ooh, we got a little jelly cube right there. Oh, there's a magnet in my slime! Ooh, look at jelly cubes. The jelly cubes look so cool. I love them. Okay, well this is interesting. I like it. It looks interesting. It kind of reminds me of like a dinosaur. Not a dinosaur, a monster from Monster Inc. I forgot what his name is. Oh my god, I completely forgot his name. But the monster from Monster Inc. It reminds me of that. Okay, well I guess it didn't turn out that bad. But I'd rather have had my slime separated. But these, what are they called? Jelly cubes are really awesome. I really like them. And I gotta get myself some more of those, so yeah. Okay, well I guess that's it. Now time for the separate slime smoothie. So we got the green one. This looks amazing. Whoa, those look amazing. Wow. Here's this one. Ooh, this one is really pretty. I don't know which one I like the most. Whoa, that is such a weird texture. It's kind of like jiggly slime. Literally like homemade jiggly slime. I don't know which one I like most. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and do that really quick together. And let's go. Not gonna turn out that bad, no. I like the color. It turned into like some type of cola purple type deal. I don't know, it's like a brownish purple, very dark purple, and I really like it. It actually turned out pretty good. I like it. I will put it in here. Alright guys, if you liked today's video, make sure you comment down below #part3 and also press that like button. And that is it guys, thank you so much, and I really hope I see you next time. Bye!